I'll share the results I have in one of my accounts with you, where I am testing 9 free Forex EAs that I developed myself, and then of course I will tell you how to get them for free. So if you look at one of my VPSs, you will notice that in one of the accounts there are 9 expert advisors for different currency pairs, and all of them are trading simultaneously. It's a lot of trading going on in this account, and if I show you the statistics, you will see that currently this account made about 4.5% as a gain, and that account was set by one of my team members, Nikos, who joined the academy a few months ago. And when he was starting, just like everyone else in the team, he went through the 21-day algo program that is completely free, and it is the first thing you will see when you land on the website of EA Trading Academy. So even though he was an experienced trader, he had to go through the program to learn more about my trading style, the courses and everything we do in the academy. And I was pleasantly surprised to see that he took the initiative and placed the 9 expert advisors provided in the 21-day algo program in one demo account, and that demo account is on a profit. You can see that it is going up and down, but overall it's profitable in the last 1 month. This is because he placed all of the robots in one account. So he created a portfolio or basket of different robots from my courses. So these courses are included in the 21-day program. So whenever you join, you will see that you get access to the professional trading strategies course, where I included 5 robots, and it costs 149 euro, and you get this course for free. During the program you learn how to use strategy builders as well. The second course is the Forex trading with expert advisors plus 30 strategies. The price is 179 euro. You get this course for free as well, and in this course I included 3 portfolio expert advisors. So if you look at the account one more time, you will see that there are 3 portfolio expert advisors for different pairs, and in each one there are 10 strategies that are trading within one expert advisor, and that allows you to have 3 charts open instead of 30. And the third course that we included for free in the program is the professional Forex expert advisor, where you are getting 1 scalping robot for $yen, and the price of the course is 129 euros. So once you enroll in the program, you get all of these robots for free together with the courses. And whether you're a beginner or experienced trader, it will be very useful for you, because you will learn everything starting with MetaTrader, algorithmic trading, expert advisors, and you will test as well some of the best expert advisors in the world. And this program is absolutely free. You don't need to register even on the website. Once you sign up for the program, you will receive everything on email, and you will be able to get the courses with the expert advisors included absolutely for free. I personally created this ultra fast 21-day program for all beginners who want to learn algorithmic trading and don't have funds to buy expert advisors or fund a live account, buy a challenge, so you can practice with everything included in the program on a virtual account. In addition, if you're a complete beginner and you don't know from where to start, look at our brokers page and you will see some of the brokers we are using in the academy. Take a look at Black Bull markets, as they have very good trading conditions with spread starting from 0 pips. Leverage is up to 1 to 500. Minimum deposit is 0, which means that you can start with a very small account, or you can test the broker with a virtual account. I'll leave the link down below in the description, but you can see on the website that they offer many assets for trading, different trading platforms and account types. But if you're new to algo trading and you're just starting out, I would suggest that you start with a virtual or demo account, so you're not risking any real money. And once you have the robots from the program, it is up to you how you want to manage them. You can put them all in one account just like Nikos did, or you can trade them separately. The best thing you can do is to put them in one account and track the performance with MyFXBook or FXBlue. And for example, if I click on custom analysis and I select the magic tab and I select them all, I can see which expert advisor is performing the best at any time. So you can see that this expert advisor with a magic number 16143809 made 6.77%. And if you want to know which is this expert advisor, I'll leave the link down below in the description to the 21-day program, so you can sign up, download the EAs, and you will find the robot that is performing best at any given moment. As always, I thank you very much for watching today's video. Before you go, check out this video on my side and you will learn how to test and select the best robots from the MQL5 marketplace. Don't forget that I love you guys. I'll see you in the next video. You trade safe.